questions, what movies have I done and stuff like this. It's like, I've done a few. If you ever go to like that website, IMDb, you'll see like my credits. At this point, what's listed on there is like 112, but I've actually probably done about maybe 118 different projects. Some are not on there. Some of them, like I started doing soaps and opera is what I first started doing when I started doing makeup and things like this. But I eventually, decided to do movies and TV shows and things like this. In New York right now, I'm sure it's happening up in this area too. New York is, we have a tax incentive in place, so a lot of things are happening. This is just alcohol. I'm just gonna Jim, don't hold your breath for a minute. Keep your eyes closed. All right? Yeah. Was my next cast member, and now I work with Alex Moffat. And if you don't know who Alex Moffat is, he's the one who plays the dumber Trump son. That's kind of what he's kind of famous for.
Which one's dumber?
Well, there's one that's they play him up as one that's smarter than the other. Actually, one of my most geekiest moments ever at SNL was I had Leonard Nimoy sit in my chair and I had to do his makeup. And then after Nimoy's in the chair, and who walks in? William Shatner. I was like, whoa.
It's like your face is the puppeteer and the mask is the puppet, basically. You have to kind of work at moving different muscles in your face.